Did you know that all batteries are made in factories? They're not just born fully formed? In today's video, we are going to show you how batteries are made in factories. In fact, this is the world's largest battery factory, which can produce over 200 million batteries per year. Let's dive in. It consists of several components, including electrodes, an electrolyte, and a separator. The process of making batteries begins with the preparation of the raw materials. Different types of batteries use different materials for their electrodes and electrolytes. For example, lithium-ion batteries used in electric vehicles and portable devices commonly use lithium compounds and various transition metals like nickel, cobalt, and manganese. These materials are sourced from mining operations and chemical suppliers. The separators are thin, porous membranes that allow ions to pass through while blocking the flow of electrons. The battery is tested for its electrical performance, including its voltage, capacity, and internal resistance. Any cells that do not meet the specifications are removed and replaced. After the separators are applied, the edges of the electrodes are sealed to the edges of the battery can. This involves mixing the active ingredients, which are typically lithium compounds and transition metals with a polymer binder and a solvent. The resulting slurry is then coated onto metal foils, which will serve as the current collectors for the electrodes. The batteries are tested for their electrical performance, including their voltage, capacity, and internal resistance. Any cells that do not meet the specifications are removed and replaced. The battery packs are then loaded onto vehicles where they are secured in place using specialized equipment. The entire process is highly automated, with robots and other advanced equipment performing many of the tasks that were previously done by hand. The most common type of battery produced is the lithium-ion battery, which is used in a wide range of devices from laptops to electric vehicles. One of the main advantages is the highly automated production process. The industry is constantly evolving, and the future looks bright. This includes reducing the use of hazardous materials, minimizing waste, and improving energy efficiency. AI-powered systems are being developed to optimize the manufacturing process, improve quality control, and reduce costs. Automation is also being used to perform tasks that were previously done by hand, such as assembling batteries, which improves efficiency and reduces the risk of human error. Manufacturers are also investing in research and development to develop new types of batteries that have higher energy densities, longer lifespans, and faster charging times. These advancements will lead to the development of electric vehicles that have longer ranges and require less frequent charging, as well as portable devices that have longer battery life and faster charging times. The factory uses a number of robots and other advanced equipment to perform tasks such as assembling the batteries and testing them for quality control. This automation allows the factory to produce a large number of batteries quickly and efficiently. Another advantage of the factory is its strict quality control measures. The industry is constantly evolving, and we can expect to see even more innovation in the years to come. The batteries are tested at various stages of the production process to ensure that they meet the required specifications. This helps to ensure that the customers receive high-quality batteries that perform as expected. Additionally, the factory follows strict protocols to ensure that the batteries are produced in a safe and environmentally friendly manner. This includes measures to protect the environment and the health of the workers. The factory also produces other types of batteries, such as nickel-cadmium and nickel-metal hydride batteries. The coated foils are dried and cut into the desired shape and size. The batteries are tested at various stages of the production process to ensure that they are functioning properly and meet the required specifications. Additionally, the factory follows strict protocols to ensure that the batteries are produced in a safe and environmentally friendly manner. Some batteries are used individually, while others are connected in series or parallel to meet the power requirements of the device they are powering. The packed batteries are then sent to the next production line for final assembly. When you connect a battery to a device, electrons flow from the negative terminal through the circuit to the positive terminal, powering your device. The factory is located in China and produces batteries for electric vehicles, portable devices, and other applications. The facility covers a massive area and employs thousands of workers. First, what is a battery? A battery is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Some batteries are used individually, while others are connected in series or parallel to meet the power requirements of the device they are powering. The electrolyte is then pumped into the battery cell, where it fills the space between the anode and cathode. The anode and cathode electrodes are then layered with separators to prevent short circuits. The separators are thin, porous membranes that allow ions to pass through while blocking the flow of electrons. After the separators are applied, the edges of the electrodes are sealed to the edges of the battery can. The packed batteries are then shipped to the vehicle or device manufacturer, where they are installed and used. This slurry is then coated onto metal foils, which will serve as the current collectors for the electrodes. The coated foils are dried and cut into the desired shape and size. The anode and cathode sheets are then rolled or folded to increase their surface area, allowing for more efficient production during the subsequent electrode manufacturing processes. Batteries come in various shapes and sizes, but they all follow the same basic principles. These materials are typically produced by chemical companies that specialize in battery-grade chemicals. Once the materials arrive at the factory, they are stored in designated areas. The manufacturing process begins with the production of the cathode and anode materials. The next step is to mix the electrode material with a polymer binder and a solvent to form a slurry. After the electrodes are prepared, the electrolyte is mixed with additives and other components to achieve the desired properties. The electrolyte is then pumped into the battery cell, where it fills the space between the anode and cathode. Next, the anode and cathode electrodes are layered with separators to prevent short circuits. After the cell is assembled, it undergoes several quality control checks to ensure that it meets the required specifications. The next step is to pack the batteries into modules or packs depending on the application. Now let's see how it works in the world's largest battery factory. The first step in the manufacturing process is to prepare the electrode materials. Once the electrodes are prepared, the electrolyte is mixed with additives and other components to achieve the desired properties. The assembled cells undergo several quality control checks to ensure that they meet the required specifications. The next step is to pack the batteries into modules or packs, depending on the application. On the next production line, the battery modules are installed into battery packs, which are essentially large boxes that contain multiple battery modules. The factory also has a number of quality control measures in place to ensure that the batteries being produced meet the highest standards. The factory produces a variety of different types of batteries for different applications. The factory has a number of advantages that make it the world's largest battery factory. The future of battery manufacturing is exciting with advancements in technology, leading to the development of new and improved battery types and manufacturing processes. One of the major trends in battery manufacturing is the move towards more sustainable and environmentally friendly practices. Another trend in battery manufacturing is the increasing use of artificial intelligence and automation. Overall, the future of battery manufacturing is bright with advancements in technology leading to new and improved battery types and manufacturing processes. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment below. Thanks for watching.